Are you making the most of your business data? Studies show that businesses often use less than 10% of their data effectively. But what if you could unlock the full potential of your data with the help of AI? That's where Deepseek AI steps in. Businesses generate massive amounts of data, but it often goes unused due to its complexity. Deepseek transforms complex data into simple, actionable insights. Stick around till the end, and I'll share an exclusive resource to help you grow your business using AI tools. What is Deepseek AI? Explain in simple terms. Deepseek AI is an advanced data analytics platform that turns raw data into insights you can act on. Think of it as a virtual assistant that helps businesses make smarter decisions. Examples of what it does: predicts customer behavior, enhances marketing strategies by identifying trends, highlights risks or inefficiencies in your operations. 3. Deepseek simplifies even the most complicated data into visually appealing charts and graphs, making it easy to understand at a glance. Anomaly detection. Imagine catching operational issues before they turn into big problems. Deepseek flags anomalies so you can act fast. What sets Deepseek apart is its ability to predict future trends, giving your business a competitive edge. Industry-specific solutions. Whether you're in retail, real estate, or SaaS, Deepseek adapts to your unique business requirements. Fourth, let me show you how simple it is to use Deepseek AI. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Upload your data file, whether it's in CSV, Excel, or any other format. Set your business goals, such as analyzing trends or identifying customer segments. Watch as Deepseek provides clear insights within seconds. This isn't just about crunching numbers. It's about empowering you to make decisions faster and with more confidence. 5. Real-world result. Let's say you're running a retail business. Using Deepseek, you could identify which products are underperforming, adjust your strategy, and see a 25% revenue boost within months. Businesses using AI analytics tools report a 3 times improvement in efficiency and faster decision-making. Deepseek AI isn't just a tool, it's a business game-changer. If you're ready to unlock the full potential of your data, start exploring Deepseek today. But here's the best part. I'm building a free Discord community for business leaders and AI enthusiasts. In this community, you'll get access to exclusive strategies, tool recommendations, and expert advice to grow your business. Click the link in the description to join us. Next time, I'll show you how to combine AI tools with marketing automation for exponential growth. Stay tuned.